how to allow or deny Wi-Fi control permission on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. From here, tap on the more button, then tap on special access from the menu. Now we then scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi control. And from here, scroll down and select the apps that you want to allow Wi-Fi control. So here, you can tap on the toggle button right next to the app to deny or allow the permission. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.